Platinum has rallied more than gold and silver so far in 2025. From their trough to its recent high, platinum has gained 102%. Silver takes second place with a 90% increase, while gold comes in third with a 68% rise. Gold has broken its all-time high last year, while silver has also broken its all-time high this year. But platinum has not. Does this mean that platinum has more upside potential than gold and silver? My name is Con Hao. My work in this channel is to study behavior science and finance, discover correlation between different markets, and uncover potential opportunities. This analysis is based on technical studies and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your licensed broker before investing. This was our tutorial at the beginning of this year, when we discussed that platinum could break out from its 10 years of consolidation and start catching up with gold and silver. And as of today, and we saw indeed it has broken out from its long-term consolidation. Although platinum has performed better than gold and silver this year, it appears that it has more runway than these two precious metals. And let's study about this period of consolidation over the last 10 years. And we saw that it started from around this period at the end of 2014, and this was a period of 10 years of consolidation. And starting this year, we saw a very clean break. Let me just draw this downtrend line. Over the past almost 20 years, we saw that platinum was on the downtrend. And it's only at the beginning of this year that we saw that it finally broke above this downtrend and also the last 10 years of consolidation. So to me, this is very significant. And so where could be platinum could be heading? And that's what I'm seeing here. For after years of consolidation, once it have a clean break, usually it should start to move up in this manner. And that's what I'm seeing here. And since we're analyzing this monthly chart, this indicates that long-term trend. Typically, my strategy would be to look out to buy on dips when opportunity arise. It means that from this consolidation and almost 20 years of downtrend, you have given me a clear signal that you have transit from a downtrend to an uptrend. So I'll be patient enough to wait for a significant dip to accumulate my new position. And any fundamental reason to support the rise in platinum? My key reason is that it is a commodities. And let's look at the list of commodities that we have here. And as long as gold, which is also known as an inflationary hedge assets, continue to lead, it suggests that inflationary risks remain present. I'm always watchful of which assets or commodities might be next. And we have seen and discussed this pattern in the feeder cattle. And feeder cattle now is at an all-time high. Copper is also on the rise. Silver, we have spoke about it. And now today we're discussing about platinum. So therefore, beside gold and silver as an inflationary hedge, I view commodities having that function as well. Platinum is not classified as a precious metal, but rather as a quasi-monetary hard asset. The word quasi comes from Latin meaning as if or almost, but not exactly. And according to UBS report last week, platinum has attracting buyers as a quasi-monetary hard asset and as a scarcity-backed store of value. When gold and silver becomes too expensive for investors, they tend to turn to other commodities whose fundamentals are emerging. For the time being, platinum seems to be taking the lead in possibly a correction for the metal. And we can see that it started to come off. And over the past few days, in fact, the last 2 days, we saw that gold and silver also start to take the dip. So platinum has usage like silver. It is widely used in industrial applications such as automotive catalytic converter, chemicals, and hydrogen fuel cell. I understand that there has been a supply shortfall in the recent years, and that also part of the reason why it is on the rise. Though all these matters seems to have corrected much in the past few days, studies do not indicate that they have peaked and heading for a long-term downtrend. For a healthy trend to continue backed by fundamentals, I always welcome short to mid-term correction. As discussed previously, with ongoing de-dollarization and inflationary pressures, I believe that precious metals will continue to take the lead. Feel free to leave any comments below. I'd love to exchange ideas with you on what is about to come. Really happy that you stayed through this tutorial. You have many great trading weeks ahead.